Magandang kalat ng bola rito, AJ. Bigyan mo na.
Nako, ito na nga. So everything looks pretty good for QC Dragons and pretty nicely it is safe to say without full conviction.
May disclaimer.
Disclaimer pa talaga. Makati, will they be able to get back?
Favorable layout for the Dragons.
Humahabol.
What is the strategy of both sides?
Sino kaya ang ilalaban? Baka si Verano, di ba? Pwede para debut na
You know, we have
singles
not
niya.
seen pala Joshua Militante tonight.
Not yet.
That's gonna do it. And James Verano puts it away and make an official 13-9 win